Welcome, in front of me is Apple Watch Ultra 3, and in this video I will show you how to unpair this watch from your iPhone. There are two ways to do that. If you have your iPhone around, you can use it instead. Just enter the list of all applications on your iPhone and find the watch application on the list. Then open it. Then select all watches at the top. Then tap the info icon next to your watch and then select Unpair Apple Watch. Once you select it, confirm, and this way you will unpair your Apple Watch from your phone. And the other way to do this is by simply performing a factory reset operation on your Apple Watch. So if you only have your Apple Watch around, then what you can do instead is tap the digital crown to enter the list of all apps, then scroll down to the settings, go to the settings, then general, then scroll down until you find the reset option, select it, and then select erase all content and settings, then click erase all, and once you click erase all, the factory reset operation will be performed, and your Apple Watch will be unpaired from your iPhone. So that's basically the two methods of how you can unpair from your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.